Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors here in Bloomington, Indiana. Welcome to 1021 Wylie Street here in Elm Heights. Today we have a great video open house for you. Serious cooks are going to enjoy this gorgeous new kitchen with maple countertops, limestone accents, gas cooktop, new appliances, gorgeous new cabinetry, and beautiful pine exposed hardwood floors. This 1920s home has all the thorough updates with Pella Architectural windows and all kinds of great charm that still was retained. All the surfaces that you see in this gorgeous house are great, but what you don't see is also great, and that would be a new roof, new plumbing, new electrical, a new water line to the street, mold remediation, new duct work, also a water osmosis system. Everything's been taken care of so you can just enjoy this house. What a great place to grow up. This gorgeous house on Wylie is located just a block from Bryan Park. Bryan Park is 40 acres of great recreation. We're also just a couple of blocks from Indiana University's campus. This gorgeous home is also located on Wylie Street, which is a really favorite street in Elm Heights. It tees at both ends, so there's very little through traffic. The master suite is very tasteful. There's also a really wonderful study that's adjacent that could be a great additional master bath. Thanks for touring my video open house. Again, my name is Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors. You may dial me at 812-360-5333 or find more information on my website, jeffsells.com.